With the starting of procurement, the farmers of Karnal district have started arriving in various grain markets.
The farmers have been allotted, are being allotted gate pass at the entrance of the purchase center. They have also been asked to get their trolleys weighed nearby at the weighbridge nearby the purchase centers, so that they can come and they can dump the wheat at their respective aarti's place and they can leave, so that the social distancing is maintained and there is no large gathering of the farmers.
It has been observed that the laborers are not using mask and social distancing is not being followed by the even aartis also.
It has come to my knowledge at some of the purchase centers that masks are not being used by the laborers as well as the farmers. We have directed the concerned purchase center officials to distribute the masks among the laborers as well as the farmers who are coming. We have also kept a limit of 100 farmers per purchase center. However, there is no limit on how much wheat one farmer can bring to the mandi. And till now the purchase is going smoothly. We are confident that we'll purchase the entire wheat of the district within 10-12 days. The required instrument for sanitization has been provided at each purchase center. Some of the purchase centers are doing it, some were not doing it. As when I inspected the purchase centers, they have been directed to do it rigorously, so that no vehicle, no tractor goes unsanitized into the mandi. Total 173 purchase centers have been established. Each purchase center has been given one VLE, village level entrepreneur, who will issue the gate passes. Each purchase center has been given 3 Saksham youths. Their 3 Saksham youths have been deputed at each purchase center. Their job is to make phone calls and messages to the farmers who are scheduled to bring their wheat in coming days.
Is it first time that the teachers have been roped into in the purchase activity?
Absolutely, because the number of purchase centers have been increased to 173 in the district, so we required around 350 odd people as purchase officers. So we have roped in the principals and head teachers of the education department for carrying the job, and they are doing commendable job till now.
How many teachers have been roped?
Roughly 300 people from the education department have been roped it, and they are doing very good job. So plan that the purchase centers are distributed as much as possible. That's why every 4 or 5 villages have given one purchase center, so that the gathering of the farmers in large numbers doesn't happen. And we are confident that due to distribution of purchase centers in every nook and corner of the district, the gatherings will not happen, and hence we will be able to curb the spread of COVID. A sufficient amount of bardana has been distributed to the aartis. They have been directed to distribute these bardana to their respective farmers, so that the farmers don't leave their wheat open in the market. They can use the bardana to fill in the bags, etc., and they can shift it to their houses, we have also asked them to shift these wheat at their community centers or the schools, so that the wheat is not left open in the field and it is not destroyed by the rains.
Praveen Arora, Tribune Network.